Hi everyone, my name is Viviana Torres, and for today's presentation, I chose to do transform plate boundary. Like it's shown in this image right here, the Earth is covered in tectonic plates. Although it seems like the Earth's crust is huge and never moves, it's actually always moving. This occurs because these plates flow in a sea of hot magma. Sometimes these plates start to move and occasionally move away from each other, towards each other, or alongside each other. When transform boundary occurs, two of the tectonic plates slide alongside each other, like it's shown in this image right here. When the movement happens, this causes a friction between them. Therefore, the plates cause an earthquake. This doesn't cause any new crust to form or volcanoes because no magma is involved. The San Andres fault system is a real-world example. The San Andres lies in California, which is one of the states with the highest number of earthquakes. This is owing to the San Andres fault system, which runs for 800 miles and penetrates for 10 miles through California's rocks. The San Andres fault system indicates the boundary between Pacific and North American plates as they move north and south. Right here. These are my references. Thank you everyone for listening.